Hi, welcome back to Cattington. On this episode we have new rolling stock, a new scene and a new engine. See you in a bit.
Okay, to start with, I want to show you some updates around long whiskers at the end of the station. I think I showed you putting in these paving slabs before. Well, now I've gravelled it all up, fenced it, and just had a bit of shrubbery and just made it a little bit more like partly wasteland dumping ground here. And then there's like a viewing area around here, then there's a hut, and I think it just adds a little bit to the area, makes it look a little bit nicer. Certainly better than the baseboard. So there you go. Right, hello. I want to show you a new purchase that we picked up at the Loughborough Grammar School, which was the Loughborough Model Railway show the other week. Hopefully you've seen the video, and let me bring it into camera. Yeah, it's a funeral train. This has been custom made, but it's based on the Necropolis Railway that ran out of London to somewhere I've forgotten, Brookwood, I think it was. Yep, Brookwood Cemetery. So there was an issue in like the 1850s where there were basically too many bodies in London and the graves were getting overcrowded. So they built this new railway, the Necropolis Railway, and it took them out from Waterloo to this Brookwood, where they had a little bit more space for the cemeteries and everything else. And the railway ran for quite a long time, just taking bodies out. Now, what we're looking at here is still fictional. This has been custom made, and I'll show you some clues to why I think that. First of all, I've got a British Rail logo on here on a Necropolis Railway, and they just never clashed. They never overlapped. So somebody's taken a dock shunter and they put this extra fairing on and everything else. I mean, it's all been done beautifully. I'm certainly not criticising it. It's very, very well done. This is some sort of low loader. They put a little reef on. This is a Airfix kit, and this looks like it's been taken from either a car or a carriage, and the people would sit here with the horses in front, and that's been taken off. It looks very nice. This is one of these four-wheeled carriages, which I'm currently collecting. So this has been repainted. Maybe the others have too, but this has definitely been repainted. And I was wondering, why did somebody leave these white windows in? Because these carriages, they don't have white windows, there are transparent ones. But there is one that has white windows, which is this one. Go the right way around. Ta-da! So somebody's taken one of these Network Rail ones, and this is the one that used to have a little buffers on to clean the track. I've taken it off, but I can't take it off, so I just chucked it inside instead. So we now have a look at the underside of that. You'll see, not only can you see yellow bits, you can see the bits where the rail cleaners would have been, and it rattles. And you can just make out bits of yellow coming off where I've been handling it. But you can see that Necropolis Railway Service logo. Transfer someone's put on. And again here, the brake sign as well. Beautiful. Macabre, but beautiful. It was only £35, so I picked up the whole lot. I got an extra nice diesel. I do plan to take off the the logo off that and just run it as a standard diesel, and this would probably look better with a pug in front or something. But she runs okay. She does the job. Not so keen on those white windows, but we can do something about that later. Right, hello, I want to show you what we also have got. I didn't buy these. A friend of mine, Nick, he bought them for me. He knew I was looking for these, and these are another set of the Hornby four-wheel carriages. And this time they're in like a Caledonian blue livery. And I do love these because I can't decouple them. They've got this gold outline around the panels and everything. Just makes them stand out a little bit. You know, it's not as detailed as the modern Genesis coaches or anything like that. But I just find them adorable. Especially when you've got them with small little tanks like this. I think they just work really, really well.